All right, now it gets a little exciting. We are going to show you where you can select products to sell for free. And the cool thing about that is so many products out there available from different businesses. So I'm just going to get started. Share Sell Affiliates, one that's been around for about 17 years. They're really good. They have tons of businesses that you can pick from, digital and different standard payout options. Whether send you a check, and then of course there's Amazon Associates. That's basically you can get a commission off of recommending almost everything from the Amazon empire. So definitely worth having in your playbook. eBay Partners helps you advertise and sell anything on their platform, and so one of the most diverse markets out there. And then there's the Shopify affiliate program for those who want to build other stores for folks or just refer people because they love the platform. It's really good. And then there's one called ClickBank, which is another one you definitely want to have. So those are just some of the few rockin' marketing services. There's also CJ affiliate publishers, Bluehost. So what you want to do is definitely get as many of these as possible because it will show you all the different products that you can sell. And for a definition of what an affiliate program is and how these things work, there's a couple of videos as well on this. And then once you've signed up, we'll go ahead and go to the next video. Thank you. All right.